Chip. Let go, let go. Giving him practice on his escape moves. Too much. Easy, baby, easy. Okay, let him go, baby.
She's getting tired. Keegan, do a flip for me.
Watch out, baby. He's gonna do a flip. Yep. Whoa,
Oh, you landed it.
Landed that one.
Oh,
I told you don't try.